So, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn about assignment operators in Python. These operators help us easily change the value of a variable. And let's start. Let's begin with a simple example. Here we assign the number 10 to the variable x. When we print it, the output will be times x and 10. Next, we use the plus operators. Next, when we use the plus operator, this means we're adding 5 to the current value of x. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. Now the output will be x after x plus 15 up 5 equals to 15. Let's subtract 3 from x. This means x and equals x minus 3, 15 minus 3 equals 12. So the result is x after x minus equals 3 equals 12. Now we multiply x by 2. That means x equals x times 2. 12 times 2 equals 24. So the final output is x after x minus equals 2 equals 24. And that's it. You learn how to use assignment operators in Python. Thank you.